Hi everyone, today I will be ranking every single Bfdia episode. Bfdia 1 until Bfdia 23. Bfdia 1 is a classic. Bfdia 1, yeah, who I wanna know is a classic. It's going to on B tier. Hello? Oh, B tier. What the hell? Why the hell is Bfdia 23 in the front? Oh well, I'm ranking it later. Bfdia 2. Bfdia 2, get digging. I kind of forgot what Bfdia 2 was about. Oh yeah, Bfdia 2 was about the Yo-Yo Stew episode. It's a good episode. And Donut was the person who got out this episode, which I didn't really like, so it's going to C tier. Bfdia 3. Insectophobia Nightmare 3. This episode is about killing the bugs, I think. Yeah. Not that good of an episode for me. Bfdia 4. Siki Boogie Dong. I kind of forgot what this episode was about. Let look at it for a second.
Hey, what's that? You were warm. Ah, she must not. And so are to spin the wheel. OMG. Hoping Chilton back. Yeah.
What was the challenge? The challenge is...
I sure did nothing. Don't be a
Oh, the episode was about making a new dream island. It's good. It's not better than Bfdia 1, I think. Yeah. Bfdia 5A. It was when Mash got eliminated and they were going on the trip. Everyone was going to I think it was the third birthday of Bfdi, and the challenge was going up the climbing Yo-Yo Mountain. Oh, reach the summit of Yo-Yo Mountain. That's the challenge. They did. The Free Smart team and the others were running away, and I think Pin was legless. This episode, it's a good episode. Let me put it in front of Bfdia 1. Okay, Bfdia 5B is a game. I can't play it. I didn't play the game, so it's going on F tier. Bfdia 5C, No More Snow. This episode was when Spongy and Needle got a horrifying death, I think. And the Free Smart characters was on Evil Leafy. Okay, this episode is still better than Bfdia 1, but not better than Bfdia 5A. Bfdia 5B is a monster. It's not a very good episode, I think, so I'm gonna put it on C tier. Bfdia 5E, the Long Lost Yo-Yo City. They were this episode was when the episode ends. So it's a ending. So I like ending more than the others. So I'm putting it before Bfdia 5A. Yeah. Bfdia 6. This was 2 years ago, and the others was 12 years ago. They had a 10-year gap. Well rested. Okay. Well rested was a very good episode to know that they remember Bfdia. This is the time that they got the voice actors were more modern. They are more better at voice acting. The animation's better and so much more. Bfdia 7. Intruder alert. I don't really like this episode. Yeah. This episode was when I forgot who was eliminated here. Let me look. Bruh! I just got an ad. Okay.
Skeleton. How's it snowing? Hey there. Hi. Set the balls. Hi. How's it snowing? Hey there. I'm in your walls.
Wow, yellow facing I'm in your walls was.
Fun battles.
Oh, this was the episode where they would try to go to sleep. Yeah, this was the episode where they tried to go to sleep. Who got eliminated? Was this fun? Was it? I forgot.
Guys, they brought drinking straws. We can drink the water real quick. Pinhead. If we can't with the Ow, my
No, wait, this was the one that they made the elimination.
To their proper place of punishment.
Whatever! I'm just gonna spin the wheel and choose the next contest.
Oh, Rocky!
I shouldn't.
Oh, Rocky. Rocky got eliminated. Yeah. It's still not better than the others. And then, the next episode was Bfdia 8, Meaty. This was the one that they have to paint the Eiffel Tower. Yep, this is where it's going. See, Bfdia 9, Catch These Hands. This was one of the best episodes. So it's gonna go. Oops. So this episode was the one that they did charades, and the fair. Oh wait, was it this episode? Let me look.
Me.
Yeah.
What's your word?
No, it's not this episode where they got the annoying thing. Okay, the next episode. Bfdia 10, Taste the Sweetness. I can taste the sweetness. Open mouth. Yeah. Eat ice cream. Yeah. This episode was insane. It was crazy and I like it a lot. I'm just gonna put it like this, yeah. Bfdia 11, Lots of Mud. This was the rip-off Flawless Petals, right? Yeah. Not good. I don't like this episode. Bfdia 12, Insectophobia's Nightmare 2. Insectophobia's Nightmare 4. It's good, but it's not that good. Yeah. Bfdia 13, Well, Look Who It Is. This is a good episode. This was a non-competition episode. It was a very good episode. Bfdia 14, Pointy. This is one of my favorite Bfdia episodes. This was easily top 3. No, top 5. No, top 3. Bfdia 15, Sport Day. This is easily my least favorite Bfdia episode. Bfdia 16, Respect to the Wicked. It's good, but not that good. Bfdia 17, Start the Shift. This is definitely top 5. Bfdia 18, Airplanes in the Night Sky. There's nothing to say. Easily S tier. The only thing that makes me sad about this episode is Nico's elimination. Nico shouldn't be eliminated. It should have been tennis ball or fries. I'm sorry, I just don't like tennis ball or fries. Bfdia 19, Egg. This is a funny episode, but not my favorite. Bfdia 20, launch party. In front here, yeah. Bfdia 21. We're not friends. This episode. Let me think about this. This is A tier. No, this is A tier. Bfdia 22. I'm the main character. Done. Bfdia 23. Shattered. 1 hour long episode. Movie theaters. This is my favorite Bfdia episode. This Bfdia episode currently got eliminated, and there's nothing bad about this episode. The episode challenge was insane. Very good challenge. And I'm very happy that Buck won the challenge, and it's not up for elimination. Please, Bfdia God, Bfdia 24, please tell us what gets eliminated. Please. Done. This is my tier list. If you guys don't like my ranking, comment down below. And this is just my thoughts. So sorry if you don't like my ranking. Bye. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm hoping to get 200 subscribers before next year. Please. Bye.